Oh, hi there. I'm Brad Long with Efficiency Vermont. It's grilling season here in Vermont, and with warmer ambient temperatures, appliances like your refrigerator can work a little harder to do the job we've asked them to do all year. A good practice in the springtime is to pull the refrigerator out, vacuum behind it and underneath of it to remove any dust or pet hair or dander that may accumulate. Of particular attention is the refrigerator coils. The coils in this refrigerator are located on the bottom. When the coils accumulate dust and pet hair, it causes the equipment to work harder. As it works harder and longer, it costs you more money and energy, and it reduces the lifespan of the equipment. So today what I'm going to do is pull this refrigerator out, clean everything behind it, and I'm going to pay particular attention to the coils. Hang out with me today as we do this, and then we can get to some grilling. Okay, so I've got the refrigerator pulled out. It's unplugged. We're ready to take a look at things. What I'm going to focus on first is this panel here. You can see the dust in this panel. So this is an indication to me that the airflow moving through here, I suspect the coils are back here and that's where we're going to need to clean. So I'll start by taking all these pieces off and we'll see what we find. Okay, now that we've got the belly of the beast open here, you can see there's a lot of dust accumulation on these fan blades, some of the insulation, and certainly on the coil back there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get as much of this dust and debris out of here very carefully without damaging anything. I've just done some vacuuming on the back side of the refrigerator. Now I'm looking underneath the front of the refrigerator and you can see in here the dust and pet hair accumulation. It's blocking airflow to those refrigerator coils and that creates a lot of inefficiency. I'm going to vacuum this out. Well, I was having a hard time getting at all the coils underneath this refrigerator, so I went down to my local Ace Hardware store and picked up this brush. What I'm going to do is insert this brush into the top of the coils and gently pull the dust out, and then vacuum. And give that a shot.